Many people in America is anticipating the Doge stimulus checks, but do you know there's over $2 million worth of stimulus available right now across the United States? Now, with these stimulus programs, some of these are on the state level, some city levels, and also, you can get money in the form of tax credit. Now, some of these tax credits are refundable as cash to you when you apply these tax credits. Now, this is designed to help you financially and even help you pay off your debts. Now, when it comes down to negative items on your credit report and those kind of debts, you may be better off just by disputing those items, especially when it comes down to collections, because those are third party collectors and they have a real tough time proving they have a legal right to collect on the debt. Now, one of my users from my elite credit system, Greg, was able to remove a collection within 12 days, and my user, Sean, went from a 612 credit score with all his credit scores over 770 in a matter of 6 months. And if you go to my website, you can download this free heart inquiry removal package. I'll leave all these links in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So when it comes down to having the stimulus, you may be better off by targeting it towards credit card debt to help you combat that high interest and help you actually increase your credit score because it decreases your utilization. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey and how to leverage your credit to make money. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now, with these programs, they're going to break down for you in 3 categories. Now, some of these programs, you're going to get a monthly payment if you qualify over a couple of months, or even some of them over a couple of years. You also have some one-time tax credit that comes to you on a state level as a cash lump sum payment. And we're going to start off with the ones on the federal level, meaning across the country, these tax refundable credits are available to you if you are a citizen of the United States, and sometimes for those who are here to work legally. Now, with these 2 that I'm going to start off with the one tax credit, you can get over $7,000, and the second tax credit, you can get $2,500 per qualifying person. And with these 2, if you don't have any outstanding tax debt, they will give you a refund in cash that you can get that money. I also included a third one just in case if you do owe outstanding tax debt, you can still apply this credit, and this can help you reduce your tax burden, and this might help people to qualify for a refund to offset some of that money if you owe it. So we're going to start with these 3.
EITC is the Earned Income Tax Credit. Now, with this tax credit, you can get back cash if you qualify for this tax credit, even if you do not owe taxes. Now, earned income includes all taxable income and wages you get from working for someone else, yourself, or from a business or farm that you own. Types of earned income: wages, salary, or tips where federal income tax are withheld on Form W-2, Box 1. Income from a job where your employer didn't withhold taxes, such as gig economy work, including driving a car for book rides or delivery, running errands or doing tasks, selling goods online, providing creative or professional services, providing other temporary, on-demand, or freelance work, making money from self-employment, including if own or operate a business or farm, are a minister or member of a religious order, are a statutory employee and have income, benefit from a union strike, certain disability benefits you got before you were the minimum requiring age, non-taxable combat pay, Form W-2, Box 12 with Code Q. If you claim non-taxable combat pay as earned income, it may increase or decrease the amount of your EITC. For more information, see Publication 3, Armed Forces Tax Guide. Earned income does not include pay you got for working when you were an inmate in a penal institution, interest and dividends, pensions or annuities, Social Security, unemployment benefits, alimony, or child support. The qualifications for the EITC will be based off of this information: adjusted gross income, AGI, investment income, filing status, number of qualifying children, if any. Now, you can still qualify for this credit even if you do not have children. Now, for tax year 2024, with your filing status of head of household, this will be as followed. And if you're filing as married, jointly filing, here is the tables for your income. Now, keep in mind, if you are filing as married and you're filing separately, you could not qualify for this tax credit. So that might play a part on how you're going to file. If you're married and you're filing separately, you do not qualify for this. So you may want to change how you're filing your taxes in that case. Investment income is limited to 11,600 or less. Maximum credit amounts. The maximum credit amount, no qualifying children, you can get $632. One qualifying child, $4,213. Two qualifying children, you can get $6,960. Three qualifying children, you will max out at $7,830. Now, if you have more children than that, that is the maximum amount you can get, is the $7,830 qualifying benefit. Now, if you did your taxes before the middle of February, make sure that your tax preparer actually applied for this credit, because they do not issue the refunds before the middle of February, simply because they want to check to make sure that it's not fraudulent. So make sure that you actually got this benefit, or you could be leaving money on the table. The IRS will not flag you or notify you for this credit if you did not claim it. Is the American Opportunity Tax Credit, where you can get up to $2,500 per eligible student. This means that if you have multiple people eligible for this credit, each person in your household can get $2,500 per person. This is a tax credit to help pay for education expenses for the first 4 years of education completed after high school. You can get a maximum annual credit of $2,500 per eligible student, and 40% or $1,000 could be refunded to you if you owe no tax. This credit is subject to income limitations. Now, to be eligible, you or your spouse or dependent that is getting the credit must be listed on your tax return. The person must be pursuing a degree or recognized education credit to have qualified for education expenses at a eligible education institution, be enrolled at least half time for at least one academic period beginning in the tax year, not have finished the 4-year degree of higher education at the beginning of the tax year, not have claimed this ATOC or the former Hope credit for more than 4 tax years, not have a felony drug conviction at the end of the tax year. You can get up to $2,000 per year with this lifetime learning credit. Now, with this credit, it's going to help you offset the cost of tuition and any related expenses towards undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree courses and courses taken to improve job skills. There's no limit on the number of years you can claim this credit. And with this credit, it's going to be up to $2,000 per tax year. This is used to reduce someone's tax liability to zero, and to be eligible for this credit. To get this credit, whoever you're applying for, either yourself, your spouse, or dependent, must be listed on your tax return. You have to have a qualified education expense at an eligible education institution, be taking a higher education course, or to get a degree or other recognized education credit, or to get an improved job skill, be enrolled at least at one academy period in the beginning of the tax year.
Now, the next set of stimulus money is going to be on a state level. Now, this is going to be across at least 18 states that has this money available for you, and we're going to break down these programs.
Now, the next state on our list is New Jersey. The Anchor program is for eligible homeowners and renters who meet income and residency requirements, are eligible for property tax relief payments. Payment amounts: New Jersey homeowners with income of $150,000 or less will receive $1,500. New Jersey homeowners with income of more than $150,000 and up to $250,000 will receive $1,000. New Jersey resident renters with income of $150,000 or less will receive $450. Application deadline to apply for the Anchor program is October 31st, 2025. New Jersey also offers a program for seniors. State New Jersey is a property tax relief for senior citizens. The state New Jersey program offers property tax benefit to eligible homeowners age 65 and older. It reimburses applicants for 50% of their property tax bills up to a maximum of $13,000 with a 2024 benefit cap of $6,500. To qualify, you must have owned and lived in your home for the full 12 months of 2024 and have an income below 500,000. If you made pilot payments to your municipality, you are eligible for the state New Jersey benefit. Mobile homeowners are not eligible. State benefits are calculated after Anchor and senior freeze benefits are determined. Payments are expected to be issued in early 2026. Now, the next state on my list is Ohio. Ohio is going to offer a child tax credit in 2025. The state plans to offer its citizens a $1,000 Ohio child tax credit to support the increase in inflation rates. The payment can be given to individuals who are struggling and families who have children under the age of 6. Lawmakers will approve the $1,000 Ohio tax credit to assist low income families. It has been distributed among citizens to ensure that families receive the full amount regardless of their tax obligation. The program has been designed to reduce the economic crisis, provide financial relief to families, and improve children's education access. By using this program, the government will be able to lower the financial strain of families and contribute to increase the country's economic growth. The next state on the list is Colorado is distributing the tapered refunds, with single filers potentially receiving up to $565 and joint filers up to $1,130 based on a $1.5 billion fiscal surplus. To be eligible, residents must have filed their 2024 Colorado income tax return and meet other criteria outlined by the state. Eligibility requirements: residency must have been a Colorado resident for the entire year. Tax compliance: must have filed a 2024 Colorado individual income tax return or a 2024 property tax rent heat PTC rebate application by October 15th, 2025. Age: must be 18 years or older. Continuous residency: must have reside in Colorado for at least 183 days during the fiscal year. Legal status: should not have any outstanding tax debts or criminal convictions resulting in imprisonment of 180 days or more during the fiscal year. Income limits: while the exact income limits for the refunds are still being determined, it is anticipated that single filers with an adjusted gross income of 75,000 or less and joint filers with a AGI of 150,000 or less will be eligible for the full refund. Now, these states are giving eligible families up to $2,000 a month with no strings attached. And we're going to break down these qualifications. Now, these states are giving basic income payments through basic income payment programs. The first state is California. City of Sacramento has a program, Families First Economic Support Pilot, which give a benefit of $725 per month for 1 year. Now, with this program, the open enrollment date is from April 14th, 2025, and it closes April 27th, 2025. So you want to put in your application immediately. The city of Los Angeles have a program by the name of Breathe. Now, with this program, you can get $1,000 for 3 years and you can get it every month. Los Angeles also have another program, Building Outstanding Opportunities for Students to Thrive, the Boost program. Now, with this, they give income amounts of $1,000 a month for 12 months in Alameda County. And this is the United Way Bay Area GBI pilot. Now, with this program, they give an initial $3,000 payment, then they give $1,000 a month for the next 12 months, and the amounts taper for the final 6 months. In Long Beach, California, they also have a program named Long Beach Pledge. Now, with this, they give income amounts of $500 a month for 12 months. Also in California, Mountain View have a program, Elevate MV, and they have income of $500 a month for 24 months. Also in Sonoma County, they have the Pathway to Income Equality, and they offer $500 a month for 24 months. And Pomona also has a program, the City of Pomona Household Universal Grant Pilot Program, where they offer $500 a month for 18 months. So in California, Humboldt County has the Humboldt County Income Program, and they offer $920 a month for 18 months. Next, in Colorado, in the city of Boulder, they have Elevate Boulder, where they offer $500 a month for 2 years. Georgia have a program in Atlanta, which is Southwest Georgia, and College Park. In her hands, they have a pilot program where they offer $850 a month over 24 months for the first round. Also, in the state of Illinois, in Cook County, the Cook County Promise have a program where they have income of $500 a month for 24 months. And in Everston, and this is also Illinois, they have a guaranteed income program where they also include $500 a month, but they have it for 1 year. Then they have a statewide program in Illinois, empowering parenting with resources, offer monthly payments for a year depending on each participating income and local cost of living is how they qualify. Iowa has a program in Polk, Dallas, and Warren counties, Uplift, and this is the Central Iowa Basic Income Pilot. Now, with them, they offer $500 a month. In Louisiana, the city of New Orleans have a program where they offer $50 a week for 40 weeks, and this is designed to help students. Now, this program is set aside to expand over the next 3 years in Louisiana. In Massachusetts, in the city of Somerville, they have a program, Somerville Guaranteed Basic Income Program, and they offer $750 a month for 12 months. Michigan and Ann Arbor offer Guaranteed Income to Grow Ann Arbor, and they offer $528 a month for 24 months. Also, the city of Flint has a program where they give a one-time lump sum payment of $1,500, then $500 monthly payments for the first year of a baby's life. Minnesota has a statewide program for artists. Now, initially, they were offering it for 18 months, but now they have extended this program up to 5 years, and now it is a $500 a month payment for the participants of this program. Now, in Mississippi, the city of Jackson has Magnolia Mothers Trust, and this program for 12 months have a monthly payment of $1,000 a month. Now, this program is offered to low income Black mothers, and this has been since the fall of 2018. Now, in Missouri, they have a program in St. Louis, the STL Guaranteed Basic Income Pilot, and it offers $500 a month for 18 months. New York, in the location of New York City, Rochester, and Buffalo, the Bridge Project offers income up to $1,000 a month for 3 years. And they also have a program in Hudson, Hudson Up. This offer a payment of $500 a month for 5 years. Oregon has a program in Portland where it's the Black Resilience Fund, and it offers up to $2,000 a month for 3 years for Black households. In Pennsylvania, the city of Philadelphia has PHL Housing Plus, and this program income amount is from $89 all the way up to $2,079 a month for 30 months, depending on the household income. Philadelphia also have Philly Joy Bank, where they offer $1,000 a month for 18 months. And in the state of Texas, the city of San Antonio has a program, Up Together San Antonio, where they offer $500 a month for 18 months. And there's a program in Texas in Harrison County, Uplift Harrison, where they offer income of $500 a month for 18 months. Now, this program was slightly contested, so please look into the details of that program. Now, Virginia also has a program in Richmond where they have a 2-year program that actually give $500 a month for 24 months for participants in that program. And Alexandria, Virginia has a program where they offer $500 a month for 24 months.
Now, hopefully, this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments section. But if you have more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.